Hey guys, so this is going to be a review of the Ghost Amino blend by Ghost. This is in the flavour blue raspberry. So before I'll get into the actual review. I'll talk about how I discovered Ghost. Basically, I had no idea what this company was until Body Power. I had no idea who they were at all. And their booth was quite popular as well, but before then I had no idea who Ghost was. Now beforehand I was taking, I believe, the Juice 3D. I can't remember the actual company. I don't know if that's the actual company name. I was taking their BCA, so it's a German company. And as I was running out of that, I thought, you know what, I'm going to try Ghost. I'm happy with my protein powder which I'm taking, so I'm not going to change that. And that the one, if you're interested, I'm taking the nutrition for something. Sorry, that doesn't help. Nutrition for protein. It's, yeah, I can't even remember. Sorry, I've just come from the gym. I'm kind of brain dead. But yeah, I'm happy with that one. So I thought, you know what, let's switch it up and I'll try one of their like amino brands. Brands, not brands, but you know the word. I'm going to shut up now. But anyway, so this is the amino what's the word? Blend, that's it. So it contains not just BCAs but also EAs as well. BCAs are the essential ones where a lot of people will just, that's why you can get a lot of them that are just BCAs. I know you can get ones that are just EAs, and you see a lot of people, talking about how they're better than BCAs. Basically, BCAs you can only get from food and other like supplements and stuff like that. So yeah, your body doesn't make them. You have to find sources to get them inside of you. So first off, I like the packaging, and this bit's kind of texture and everything. It's quite vibrant and stuff like that. As I said, this is the shade. This is the flavour blue raspberry. It is naturally and artificially flavoured. It is also vegan friendly as well. It's also gluten free and soy free if you're interested. Another thing which I like about this company is how like transparent it literally goes through each supplement. So it goes through what EAs are in there, and then the BCAs, and then also hydration. So this is the reason why I picked up this one. I think this one's the V2. They do a normal one, but it doesn't contain the hydration element in it. So for the hydration, it contains taurine, raw coconut, and aquamin, which I always want to say aquaman every time I see that, aquamin. And then it also has estrogen. That's supposed to help actually absorb the protein in. I don't know much about that anyway. So first off, also the claim. So it claims you can take it obviously anytime, pretty much, at the gym, sports, work, study, party, basically. So as I said, I picked this one up just because it's added hydration. Now obviously I'm still going to be drinking like water and stuff like that, but obviously for me sometimes I can't just get hydration straight after a gym, so I've got work or something. This just helps give that boost of hydration after I've sweated a lot. So first off, props to Goats. This is the first supplement I've actually had where the scoops actually sit on top and I've not had to dig it out and get the powder all over the place. So I was like, when I saw this literally sitting, I opened the lid, and then there's this little polythene thing. You pull that off, and as soon as I saw the scoop just standing there, just sitting there, I was like, oh wow, this has made my life a lot easier. Anyway, so it is a white powder. When you do pour it in water, it does turn blue. I don't find that it stains your bottle or anything like that, if you're interested in that. Now the taste, which you probably all like cinnamon, just get to the taste. The taste is strange to me. Like, it's not bad, but it's not amazing. It reminds me like a syrupy taste, like quite thick, as in quite liquidy, if that makes any sense. That's what I kind of get the vibe from. It reminded me of the time where, if you're not wondering where I work at McDonald's, and basically the blended ice, obviously machine needs to get cleaned, and when it gets cleaned, all the syrups and everything end up in this little in this cup, and basically one of the guys was like, "Who wants to taste that?" I was like, I'll try it," and I tried it. It literally tastes like that, just like very syrupy. Um, but obviously with that, it was all the other, like literally every flavour of syrup that we do. Obviously this is just that, thing. But the texture reminded me a bit like that. Um, so there's that. As I said, it's not horrible where it's like, oh, this is disgusting, I can't drink it. But it's not amazing where it's like, wow, this is amazing. It's one of them sort of flavours where you'd probably just get used to it. As I said, they do other flavours. I think they do sour apple, I believe, which is in partnerships with Warheads, I believe. And then they do mango as well. Just to show you how I do it. So basically they recommend 1 scoop. You can either do 1 scoop or 2 scoops. I usually do 1 scoop. And then it tells you, because this is an American company, it will have it in 8 or 10 ounces instead of a mil. But if you've got their if you've got their bottle shaker, it has the ounces and the mil as well, so you can convert it. Or you can just do it online if you haven't got a water bottle or a shaker that has the like kind of converts, got millimeters and ounces. So yeah, so overall, as I said, I've only been using this for like a week now. When it comes to hydration, I can't really say if it is helping or if it isn't helping, because obviously I will always then have, obviously keep hydrated anyway. It's just obviously for times, it's just that boosted hydration, if that makes any sense. Obviously I've not noticed any results yet when it comes to, obviously, am I gaining more muscle or anything like that, because as I said, I've only been using it for a week. So this was that's why I didn't really want to call it a review. It's more of like a sort of first impression sort of thing, like a week long first impressions. But yeah, that's it for this review. So bye guys.